Gilpin Casino. On to the next. Gilpin Casino. This is the long narrow one, right?
The long arrow.
All right, let's. The mother lode, the Gilpin Casino. Damn. It smells like popcorn. Oh, it is popcorn. Oh. Ooh, $3 hot dogs. Free popcorn today.
It smells like popcorn.
Is it? It's free.
Oh. You want them?
Sure.
Can I just share with you?
Sure. Thank you so much.
One more?
Oh no, just one is good. Thank you. It's $3 hot dog for 4th of July.
Okay. I'm done.
It smells good. Popcorn. Oh. Decor. A lot of hidden pockets everywhere. Look at that. It goes all the way through. Whoops. Your favorite. You want to play it? Pretty festive in here. Well, not really. Yeah, this casino is filled with this town is filled with a lot of small casinos. Let's try the coffee. Oh, coffee's out of order. Nope. Oh, free photo booth. Look at that. Cool. Oh my gosh, those chickens are huge. There's a bar over there. And that's Gilpin Casino, everybody. Did you win? Alright. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
The person beside me got the major.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
I got the major too, but then there's only one spot.
Oh, what was the major at? What do you know?
Penny?
How much was the major?
500.
What? That's good. Lucky. One day. One day. Oh, we gotta go take a free photo.
Oh, yeah, there's a
Over here.
photo.
We'll go to the free photo booth. With everybody, look at. Okay, I think that's it. Look at that! Oh my god, look at her face! Oh, that was funny. I should put it in my bag. Alright. You wanna walk over here and look? I already walked over here. You can walk over around, yeah.
Do they have the craps table thing?
Nope. They got the fat hens though. Look at those things. Yeah. Okay, well that's Gilpin Casino, everybody. We're on to the next.